In this episode, we're gonna show you how you can go from this to this for about $1 per tin. Let's go! If you saw our last video, you may have seen the magnetic spice rack that was used to help organize all the spices that we have. This is a great solution to a cupboard full of spices to make it easier to see exactly what spices you have and to regain some of that cupboard space. Depending on how many spices you have, this project would be about $1 per spice. I'll go ahead and leave links down below to all the products used in this project. Here's everything you'll need: spice tins, magnets, electrical tape, super glue, white marker, nail polish remover, a metal sheet, and this is optional, as well as double stick mounting strips. Again, this is also optional. First, we'll write the names of all the spices that we have on each tin. And if you're using a white permanent marker, be sure to keep some of that nail polish remover on hand. You can use this to easily remove any mistakes that you've made. Next, we'll glue magnets to the bottom of each tin. And if you're dealing with heavier spices, you may want to use 2 magnets. Then, we'll take a small strip of electrical tape and place it on the shared side of the tin. This will help ensure that the tins are sealed shut and they don't accidentally open. The tins from this side tend to be on the loose side because we're mounting it vertically. Once the tins are done, fill them up with your spices. If you're going to mount the spices up on your refrigerator, you're done. If you want to mount these on the wall or your cabinet doors, let's continue. Here, we'll mount the sheet up using some double stick strips. And because this is a fairly large sheet, I'm wanting to make sure that this won't fall with all the spices mounted up. So I'm going to go ahead and put some double stick strips on each corner and some of the middle parts. Once you're done, mount the metal sheet up and firmly press on each area where the tape is for about 30 seconds. And that's it. Now you can mount the spices up however you feel works best, whether that be by category or, in my case, alphabetically. I hope that wasn't too difficult. Now you can reclaim some of that space for all your other goods. Where did you end up mounting your spices? Comment down below or take a picture and use a hashtag AptLiving101. If you have any questions, leave them down below and we'll answer them for you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe so that you can be updated whenever we have new tips for your apartment living. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.